Hello students, in this video we will be discussing a numerical on the studied concept. See the next problem. This is asking in the ES examination 2020. What's the problem? The total number of transmitted power for the total transmitted power PT of 1000 watts and for a transmission rate of 50 Mbps, the energy per bit EB will be, in the previously also I told, energy per bit EB means units are joule per bit means joule per bit, energy per bit. Energy units joule per bit means 5 bit I written. Can I write this as a joule per second into second per bit? Joule per second is called what, student? Power. Power is nothing but joules per second. What is joule per second? How much? 1000 into, we have bit per second, not second per bit. So bit per second is RB. So its reversal is there. So divided by 50 Mbps means 10 power 6. Then follow. Here 50 ones, 50 20s. And 10 power 6 comes in the numerator, minus 10 power 6. 10 power minus 6 means micro. What we are calculating here, energy means joule. Per bit is already given means, so 20 microjoules. A simple logic based on the energy power relations. In the Shannon limit also, I given the point. What is EB? Clear?